Older machines, like some of the ones that we have in here, they do need those engineering built-in safety devices because they are from the 60s. They didn't really think about those things back then. In my opinion, an e-stop is not just an electronic stop. It needs to stop the whole machine. No inputs can happen, spindle stop, complete dead stop. Unfortunately, a lot of old machines that have e-stops, that's not how they work. It was really hard to find out there a proper e-stop that actually worked with our applications that we needed.
What happens if we're actually milling and then we hit our imaginary big red button? That's still moving, getting jammed into a tool or into you.
I Google searched and I eventually came across Stronghold that sells the MAKESafe Tools. I ended up calling the people who make the device that I purchased. They instructed me, hey, this is what we need. We'll get you set up and we'll make sure that your machines are all safe. And it actually was a pretty good experience.
This is a retrofit you can put on any traditional Bridgeport or Bridgeport clone. You're used to this kind of strange high-low switch, which you may know is also forward and reverse and also off in the middle. This is no longer on this machine. You're going to be using our e-stop, our stop, and our start, which are ANSI compliant controls. So now we can start it, we can stop it. When I press stop, it's stopping very quickly because we're actively braking the spindle. You have a large diameter tool on there that might normally spin for 5 seconds, that's gonna stop. We've integrated the power feed. So you can use your power feeds like normal. You can do this on one axis, all 3 axes, whatever you prefer. But let's say you're milling. You hit the e-stop, it's going to apply a brake to the spindle, and it also turned off our power feed. Because if that didn't happen, it would be jamming material into a cutter, or even worse, pin you against the wall. So that is the new way to use these machines. That'll be safer, a little more intuitive, and God forbid you get into trouble, you can just hit that e-stop and know you're safe.